Welcome to my channel. Okay, today I want to share with you my secret idea, and it can help you. I think it's can help you to make $100 a day. It's really important to understand, right? First of all, I want to put the really good mindset for you. Okay, people have the problem right here. If you have the problem right here, you cannot grow. All right, when you put the right mindset right here, you gonna be the best. I promise you. Before I said it, for example, let me example for you. Okay, when you draw the heart, probably a few people can make it really good, can draw a really good heart, but probably you or me cannot draw it's really good. But when we practice to do it again and again, I believe through my personal experience, I believe you can draw a good heart. It's the same idea. Okay, if for example you have a can, all right, you have a can, don't throw it away. Do you know you can make money from a can? Do you know that? It's pretty simple. Okay, you see this one? All right, it's really simple, but what it puts inside, yeah, it's for example. Okay, when you have a can like this, you design it to look good, design it, and you put the land, right, the fertilizer, and then you put this inside, and you shot a video, all right, for a YouTube shot. Probably it's a really fast, ship. You make one videos, and this one you can put on your table, on your study table, on your wall, in the front of the house, at the back of the house, or in a room, you know, or a dining table, or a guest, you know, or a living room, you know, whatever. You can put this one. All right, this can help you to make a lot of money, my friend. You just shot a video to design this, put hand, and how to get a fertilizer is you can go to the forest. You just shot a video of when you get the soil and put this, you know, get the land, put in this. You shot a lot of video, and this one you not only just make one video from this, right? You can put a different from this, like a flower, like whatever look beautiful. Okay, and then you can use for 1,000 times. That mean you can make 1,000 video from this one. Just only this one you can use 1,000 video. All right, how you design, or you can find something that you don't have to go outside the house. See, that's pretty simple ideas. All right, one of my channel, I do a video. I would never show my face. Never show me. This is the best idea that I can share with you right now to help you to understand how to do that. Right? You just shot a video and design this and make it look good. You're gonna make money from that. Yeah, don't throw it away. You can use any unused, like people think that it's the trust, but when you can turn the trust to become money, right? It's this one. Right, after you make a video from this, don't forget to use the famous or the in trend music plus with your video, and in trend music on YouTube short. You can blow up your video. I guarantee you, it's gonna be the best ever. Never happen. All right, this is my first video that I share my secret idea to do this. I hope you enjoy with this video, and then start to your journey. I wish you get success. Okay, see you next video.